Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And this morning we're taking a look at a bag that we found while going through some Cougar parts and the stuff that came from Ken's shop in Granite Falls, Washington. And this is Accessory Kit 102A, called the Winterization Kit. It consists of a couple of things. Well, first off, you have instructions which come with the accessory kit talking about the winterization kit, the parts that are involved in it, and we're going to embed these as a much cleaner PDF in the video. There's also a list of figures and diagrams, and then the decals. That come with this kit. Now you do get a number of things with the kit. You get 3 decals. Dash 37 decal, reinstall heater in this kit when the winterization kit is removed. Placard number 36, remove if outside air temperature exceeds 20 degrees. And this one goes inside the panel. Before operating aircraft and outside exceeds 20 degrees, remove winterization. So those are your placards. We're going to put those back in the paper here. Keep them nice and straight. There's also some hardware. There are 23 screws. There are AES 1021Z 6x6. 23 of them. You need 18 for the 2 grills, and there are 18 Tendermans, and they are A1181-6Z1, the Tenderman nuts. And then what these do is these pretty much go just about like this in your Yankee. Left hand, right hand, or it could be right hand, left hand, depending upon how you want to interpret the diagram. The diagram calls for them in this position. You'll notice that they're faced inward, so the screws are on the outside, which go through the nose bowl and secure with the screws and the Tendermans. But if you look in the other box, we found where Ken had bought some new old stock plates like this one right here, the Dash 2s, and there's 10 of them or 12 of them in the stack held together with masking tape, and they go like this. So you'd have to be in a really cold climate, because to install this kit you have to remove the upper and lower cowling, and then you have to have access to the nose bowl to be able to put this one in and this one in, and we'll talk about the other winterization plate that you have to remove and reinstall. But we thought you'd like this walk down memory lane, considering that this accessory kit, if I look at the paperwork right here, I'll quote you the correct date, February 1st, 1970. And that was when it was originally issued as AK-102 for all the Yankees. And then in 1972, they issued it as AK-102A, which also included the Dash 1 trainers. So, Dash 1A trainers, my bad. But anyway, so this is a winterization kit. It'd be a pain in the butt to install and take off, but it was a way that you could fly your aircraft in a really cold climate. Make sure the engine stayed warm enough and yet warmed everything up enough that you could actually have some cabin heat. So again, this came out of Ken's stuff. I'd like to thank you for watching Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, and have a good day flying your Grumman. Thanks for watching.